Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I'm just doing a good old get ready with me. I'm hanging out, chit-chatting, doing my full face of makeup. I'm playing with a new eyeshadow palette, a new brand actually, and it's gonna be fun. So feel free, take your makeup out, do your makeup with me, throw me on as background noise, whatever you like to do with Get Ready With Me. I'm excited to spend this time with you and just hang out. Before we get into it, as far as my accessories go, this is just a basic choker. You know the drill, I don't know where it's from. But these plugs are Love Kills Boutique. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop in and play with some makeup. All right, hello, hi friends, how's it going? Today, we're just gonna do our makeup together. I have already primed. I primed before I started my brows. I still have to throw brow gel in, but I'll do that later after my face is done, because otherwise doing my face will disrupt the brows. But I used my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip with the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer over top. And we're just gonna dive in. I don't think anything about my face is gonna be anything super new, but I do have a new eyeshadow palette to play with, so that's very exciting. Let's dive in. I hope you're doing well though. What is new with you? By the way, if I don't mention something, it'll be in the description box. This is the Rare Beauty like tinted moisturizer with the Fenty liquid nonsense in Pink Pearl. I'm just gonna mix them together to make it super glowy. But what's new with you? How are you? How has your October been? I feel like October has gone by so fast this year. I like blinked and now it's over. Feels like just the other day that it was August and I was venturing out for early Halloween decor. And now it's over. It's just crazy. I cannot believe it. Quite literally one more week until Halloween. As I'm filming this, it's Monday the 23rd. Halloween's on Tuesday next week. It's just bonkers. I feel like I haven't watched enough Halloween movies. I haven't eaten enough Halloween snacks. I have not done enough of the things. I mean, to be fair, I watch Halloween vibe movies all the time anyway. So it's not like a huge deal. It's not like I'm not gonna watch them at all. I just feel like I usually try harder to like watch more movies and stuff. So yeah, it went by too fast. Petition to make October 2 more weeks longer, or the whole year. Either way. What have you been doing? What's been fun for you? I still want to drive around like the rich neighborhoods in my town and look at like fancy Halloween lights and outdoor decor. So I'll probably do that sometime this week, and obviously I'll vlog that because that's always fun. Although last year they let me down. I feel like there were not a lot of decorated houses last year, so hopefully this year's better. But what do you do for fun? Do you have any actual Halloween plans? We had our Halloween party this last weekend. I dressed as Megan from the Megan movie. I think that vlog will be up either before or after this, actually. I'm not sure. Time will tell. But yeah, that was my costume this year. It was super fun. Had friends over, had some yummy snacks and all the things. I don't think I'm doing anything on actual Halloween. It's a Tuesday. I'm not working that day, but I'll probably just hang out at home and watch movies, be cozy. That sounds like a perfect way to spend Halloween. Unfortunately, don't really get trick-or-treaters in our neighborhood yet, at least, but hopefully at some point. I mean, hopefully this year, but our neighborhood's still being developed, so it'll probably be a minute before that goes around to happening. What are you dressing up as? What are your other family members dressing up as? Your kids, your pets? I would love to know. I'm gonna use the Vacay Mood Luminous Putty Bronzer. Filmed my bronzer declutter recently. That will not be up yet, but hopefully soon. And it inspired me to use this bronzer. So I guess spoiler alert, I kept this one. Oh goodness. I can't believe declutter season's upon us too. At this point I've filmed 4 of them. And I think 3 of them will be up by the time this video goes up. So on a roll. Very soon I'm gonna attack like my blushes, my highlighters, all the lip products. I think this year I'm gonna contain all my lip products to one video, so that's gonna be really fun. I'm excited to just condense everything and have a cleanse. And then of course, eyeshadow palettes will be the finale, probably early December. And I cannot wait. It's always so fun to just like, I don't know, kind of revisit what I have, realize like where my priorities lie at the moment, and it's just fun. I also love giving my friends my palettes that no longer serve me. Did you watch the newest season of Love is Blind? It was bad. It was bad this season. It was hard to like anybody. I feel like everyone was just chaotic and it was nuts. I'm as much as I love Love is Blind, it's such a good, just dumb show. I kind of want them to slow down a little bit. I feel like they are posting too many too fast, and it's kind of making it like lose its essence a little bit. It's not as enjoyable if it's gonna happen all the time. But on another note, I'm loving Golden Bachelor. It is so good. This is the Bachelor where everyone's a bit older, like in their 60s and 70s. I don't think anyone's in their 80s. I think everyone's in their like upper 60s to mid 70s. I think that's kind of the range. But it's so good. It's so wholesome so far at least. Maybe it'll get chaotic later. But at the very least, as of right now, it's very wholesome and I'm really, really enjoying it. I feel like a regular season of The Bachelor is not gonna hold up compared to this one. What have you been reading lately? I just finished Fourth Wing last night and I loved it. I'm not gonna delve too much into my details about it just because I'm gonna be doing my reading wrap up soon for the month, but I loved it. I already pre-ordered the second book and I'm so excited for it. It's such a fun world. Everyone's been talking about that book, and if you've been considering it, I recommend it. I think it was so good. Been using the NYX High Glass again just to kind of dust around the perimeters. Got re-inspired to use this again during my like complexion declutter. I feel like I'm running out of thoughts. Give me your thoughts. Tell me all the things. What music have you been listening to? I feel like right now I'm in a sad girl pop era. Like I just want to listen to like Phoebe Bridgers and things of that nature right now. I don't know, it just feels very fall and hits very cozy. I'm gonna use my Trippin' blush from ColourPop, the cozy brown one. It's just my favorite one to wear right now. It's just so cute. I love the warmth that it adds. It has a really nice glow to it. It's just all good things. I was at Animal Kingdom yesterday, that's fun. Me and Zane met up with Allie Dawson and her husband Corey. I love them so much, but that was fun. That vlog, that's part of the Halloween party vlog, so that'll, again, either already be up or coming up like right after this video. I can't remember which order, but that was fun. Love some Disney time. I'm really excited for the weather to like really cool down in Florida. It wasn't bad yesterday, but I just want to go to Disney when it's like 50 degrees. I want to be kind of chilly all day. Like I want to wear a sweater comfortably and live my best life. We're at the time of year in Florida where it feels really nice and fall, like early in the morning, and then it's like back to summertime sadness in the afternoon. It's a whirlwind. You don't know what to dress like. You wear a sweater in the morning and then you're dying all day. I'm gonna just make a couple freckles with my Nabla freckle marker. I'm just gonna do my little beauty mark, fill in my natural ones. And then I just wanna add just like a couple little guys. I don't wanna go too crazy today. I think I'm just gonna kind of leave it like that, and I'll let them dry for a second before I tap them out. I really like this freckle marker. Like, dare I say, I might even like it more than Freck. I've been using this nonstop for the last 3 to 4 weeks, and I just love it. I love it a lot. I think it's really, really good. So, Freck, competition might be coming for you, and that one's cheaper, so that's great. I've been using the lip salve from the new Nomad collection. Overall, that collection was just really not geared toward me. Like the skincare is nice. I've been using like the spray and the moisturizer and the salve, but the little neutral travel palette wasn't really targeted for me. But that's fine. I don't need everything to be targeted toward me. I'm sure it will be targeted towards so many people. I'm gonna use my ColourPop Seismic highlight. Look how much pan. I'm not like on a Project Pan mission or anything, like actively trying to finish it. I've just simply kept it in my drawer. And when I don't know what else to wear, this is the one I go to. I mean, it matches everything. It's just like sheer, wet, sparkly, like you can't really go wrong. So that's what I've been wearing. It's just so pretty. I love this highlighter. This came out a long time ago too. And I'm finally getting through it. Oh, it's gorgeous. I'm actually really excited for my highlighter declutter. I think I'm gonna be kind of vicious this year, but we'll see. And then I have them all in front of me and I'm like, they're my babies, I love them. All right, I'm gonna spray my face with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip and we'll move on to the eyes. All right, let's dive into the eyes. I'm gonna be using the new Dieverune Cosmetics. I could be butchering that name, but the owner herself said that she doesn't know how to pronounce the name. So it was named after her late sister's like tags online. So in my mind, it's Dieverune. We'll see from there. But this is the Moth and the Moon palette. It's very cute. I have not tried this on my eyes yet. This is a true first impression, first product from the brand. I also have a Flakies from the brand that I will put on my eyeballs as well. So I kind of want to do just like a purpley vibe today, especially just because the Flaky is very like purpley blue. So I think I'm going to be doing mostly like this purple blended out with the lavender. I might use the blue a little bit for like depth in the outer corner, and then I just want this one all over the lid with the Flaky on top. And this one will probably be my inner corner. So these four plus this plus the Flaky. Let's get into it. I'm going to prime with my Sigma eyeshadow base. I'm just going to slather this on and blend it out. And I think this is officially the end of this. There's like not enough for me to even rub on my eyeball anymore. So thanks Sigma, it's been good. I have other primers. Milk Makeup is my favorite, so I'll go back to that one now that this one is dead. I'm just gonna smear this across the lid. I guess I'll just go in with the darker purple first. I'm gonna use like some Game Beauty brushes just because that's what's in front of me. I need to actually clean my brushes really bad. This is an easier one. And I'm just gonna tippy tap this in this outer corner. Let's just see what happens here. So far, so good. I mean, these swatched really nicely, but I mean, swatches don't really tell the story about performance, in my opinion. They just kind of show off the colors. But I'm excited. I'm hopeful. I want these to be good because this color story is very cute. And like, obviously, like I want the success of a new brand to be a thing, so. Ooh, that's actually smearing really, really nicely. Love to see it, especially with a purple. These purples can be tricky, but this seems really good. I'm excited about this. So far, so good. We're already off to a great start. I'm gonna grab that lavender now on just a bigger Game Beauty brush, and I'm just gonna start blending this out. Just kind of see how well these blend together. In theory, they should blend just fine because it's a lighter purple into a darker purple. But just wanna kind of see. I'm just grabbing little bits at a time, and I'm using very little motions. Very light pressure, very tiny sweeps. Just kind of going at this outer corner just to get it nice and diffused. I think that looks quite nice, actually. I'm pretty good with that. Right, so I'm gonna take the blue now. I'm just gonna use this little angled brush from Game Beauty. And I'm just gonna target that right in that very like bottom corner of my lid. Ooh, that's a nice shade of blue, I like that. I think that looks really good with the purple. Cute. I also just want to smudge just a tiny bit of it, like right up against those lashes in the outer corner of the lower. Just kind of make sure those connect. Yeah, something kind of like that. I'm just going to kind of go back down the line now with my like darker purple and just kind of doing again light little motions just to buff that blue out. Just like teeny little taps, teeny little sweeps. Just getting that nice and diffused. It's turning out kind of nice. I think it's making a good fusion of that bluey purple together. I'll grab a little of that lavender as well just to like, just add a little more diffusion. I think I'm pretty good with this. I think that looks quite nice. Pretty impressed. All right, well, so far so great. I'm gonna take my Bella Beauty Bar Shimmer Stay before I plop the shimmer shadow all over my lid. I'm just gonna smear this on. This is just gonna help my shimmer pop really nicely and stay put. I use some form of glitter primer with every shimmer ever. I'm just gonna use my finger and blend this out since I have short nails today. There's that purple shimmer. Ooh, it's so pretty. All right, let's go to town. Ooh, that is cute. Looks like it's glowing. It's so pretty. Okay, I like that a lot. That's a good shade. I'm already excited to play with this palette again. Definitely stay on the lookout for a video on my Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. I'll do that as soon as I can. Cute. Awesome. Just making sure everything blends nice from matte to shimmer. I really like this shimmer shade. It's so like shifty and transformative and lovely. Again, for the inner corner, I think I want to use this shade. I like don't even want to use the flaky now because I feel like this is so pretty all on its own. Ooh, that's cute. I should use that as my face highlight. I just didn't even think about it. That would have been a really nice face highlight though. Ooh, that's pretty. This is a very magical palette. I'm into it. You want to pop just a little bit of that highlighty shade on my brow bone too. Just using my blending brush and just lightly diffusing that. It's a good highlight shade. Very ethereal. It's so cute. I really should have used that as my face highlight. But retrospect, you know, I mean, you know, I guess I could top a little of it on top of my existing highlight. Let's see. I just think it's gonna be, like, my base highlight is so glowy that, like, I don't know if it'll really show through very well. Okay, there we go. Just a little extra beam, no big deal. I can be glow in the dark today, it's fine. Oh, I like this a lot. This is so cute. To flaky or not to flaky? Oh, because I love how this looks so much just by itself. Maybe just a tiny bit. I'll add a tiny bit of the flaky. I need to add just a little small dibble dabble of glitter primer again so it can stick. I'm just gonna use this alter ego brush. I'm just grabbing a small amount of it. I'm just gonna lightly tap this on the lid. I don't want like a huge, thick, opaque layer of this. Just a little bit. The flakies are cool because like they're kind of glittery. Like they give you that glitter effect, but they're not glitter. Like they're like flat little particles. Let's just lightly tippy tap across the lid. Okay, that's actually really lovely. It almost looks like mermaid scales on my eyeballs or something. That's really, really cute. Okay, I don't think I'm mad that I did that because I think that gave a really cool like vibe to this overall look. I think I'm cool with it. I mean, I guess you kind of have to be. We're already in this deep. Yeah, it gives it so much interest. And I think I'm wearing glasses today anyways, so now it'll pop even more behind my glasses. So I'm gonna finish it up from here. I just need to throw on my lashes, an eye pencil, something on my lips. I need to do my hair, put on real clothes, get out of these pajamas, and I will be back when I'm complete. All right, and here's how the final look turned out. I really like this. I love this highlighty shade so much. I really like the effect of the flakies. Overall, I'm just really enjoying this. Ended up just going for mascara today. Didn't really feel like wearing lashes when it came down to it. The eye pencil I threw on is Plum Smash from ColourPop. I felt like it went with that warmer purple really well. And then on my lips, I have the Lawless Nude Honey Pencil with the Lawless George Gloss over top. So yeah, here's the look. I really hope you like it. Let's zoom out, finish up this video. Thanks so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you being here and hanging out. I had a lot of fun today. I love, love, love how this look turned out. I think it's so ethereal and just so pretty. I really enjoy it. I'm really impressed with this palette so far. Again, I'm gonna be playing with it over on like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Stay tuned, but I'm just really impressed so far. I think these colors are fun. I think the quality is great so far, at least. So I'm excited to just dive in and play with it some more. So that's great. Obviously the flakies are super cool. I think they came out with 3 shades of these, so go check them out if you're interested. If you made it to the end of this video, you know, leave some bat emojis. This is a very old sweatshirt from H&M, by the way. It's probably not available anymore. I think this is like at least 5 or 6 years old. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm battybean there as well. And also feel free to subscribe if you haven't. I'm posting every single day in the month of October. Also feel free to join my channel memberships. The link to sign up will be down below. You'll get fun little perks, including a members only get ready with me once a month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.